What is the craziest thing you've done during spring break at Fort Lauderdale? Me and my girls were at the beach drinking and chilling. Then, one of my girls, Emily, turned to us and said, "Can we please all do something steamy with a group of guys tonight?" Since we were all buzzed, we agreed to it. We started walking around the beach, looking for a group of guys that would be down to give us the time of our lives. After about 15 minutes of walking, we found a group of 8 fraternity boys that was down to go back to our hotel room later tonight. It was perfect because we are a group of 4 girls, which means we each get 2 frat brothers. Me and my girls got back to our room, cleared our beds, and started pre-gaming. It was about midnight, and the brothers showed up, buzzed as well. We were all having fun. It was nice having multiple sticks to play with. Anyways, I think the brothers liked me the most because I had 4 of them at the same time. I think 2 of them finished a little too fast and eventually passed out on the floor. My favorite part is when they got us in a circle and all of them started spraying at us. One of them actually shot it right in my eye, which started burning. Anyways, my girls and I showered and we started heading to bed.